Hi everybody, it's Scott here, and in this video we're going to do a small amount of bug fixing with our player movement and the implementation of 3D text. So what's happened for me is whenever I'm playing my game I'm actually getting a bit of movement jitter, which might be a bit difficult to see because the screen capturing software I use isn't a full 60 frames per second, so you may not notice it, but on your game you may have noticed it. So what we're going to do, or what I've nailed it down to, is ray casting, and the 3D text is causing it to lag a bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually take these HUD elements and exclude it from our player movement or player looking ray casting. So what we're going to do is we're going to select our health, score value and health value, and we're going to give this a layer, and we're going to call this ignore raycast. Layers work similar to tags, only it's more used for user interfaces and among other things. So we're going to enable ignore raycast layer, and then we're going to go into uScript. So we're going to press Control and U. We're going to bring up uScript here, and we need to be inside our player script. So inside the player script you need to find the raycast function that we had earlier, and what we're going to do is we're just going to pull it across a wee bit, and we're going to enable two new settings. One is called layer mask. This means that it will only raycast using one of these layers. So we're going to choose ignore raycast layer, which means raycasting will only work on the 3D text. We're then going to select the next option called include masked layers, and it's ticked by default, meaning that whenever you move the mouse it will only work across the 3D text. However, in this case we're going to untick it, meaning that it's going to look at everything apart from this ignore raycast layer. So basically it's not going to include the 3D text. And that is our simple, well, it wasn't that simple or obvious, but that is the bug fix. So I'm going to file and save that, and that's going to compile. And now you shouldn't get the movement issues. If you do, feel free to leave a comment and I will have a look into it. But for the time being, I'm just going to hit play again. And now I'm back to moving just fine. Okay, and with that I will see you all in the next video. Thank you.